or Guru and God giving blessing, but the mouth of our container is the opposite side, then water is coming and flowing. My dear brother, my experience of my life, 66-year age, my life, I have very small, some few experience. God is giving blessing, but we are not able to digest the blessing. My experience. Mine was very poor, Panditji, very poor. Always asking, Baba, do something. After 3-4 years, okay, you do Lakshmi Puja, Kanakadhara Stotra Puja, no? Shankaracharya did. After that puja, he became big businessman in Suriname. Businessman. Very nice boy, 35-year-old. Make the big palace. His palace up till now in Suriname, White House name is it. Biggest house. But when the money has come, he has taken the separation from the wife first. Has taken wife. Second, started to drink wine. And he spoiled all the house and building, everything. God and Guru is ready to give blessing. But we are not able to digest the blessing. Last night I was giving the example. And devotee is blind. Second devotee is lame. He came ask, Gurudev, I want to blessing. My eyes should be opened. He blessed. And blind man opened the eyes. 2 eyes, both eyes. With a little effort, both eyes open. Lame man, feet became better. And then, after 1 year, Baba was going. They also crossing, looking at the Baba. Okay, oh Baba, hello, hi. And he's asking, hey, who is this man? Baba, last year you blessed them. Blind man has the eyes. Lame man has good feet. Call them. They are calling. Oh boy, what are you doing nowadays? What is doing nowadays? Baba, you have given the eyes. I became able to see each and everything. I fell down in the love of the one girl. Oh, that girl is the prostitute. I am living with that late girls. Oh, lame man, you. When I found the feet by you, and now I started kidnapping in Trinidad. Trinidad. And God, Baba is telling, oh Lord, what I have done. I have given the blessing, became useless, meaningless, but they gave very right answer. Blind man and the lame man. Baba, why you are sad? What I did, my blessing became useless. Why? What giving? But carefully listen. But with relaxed listen, okay? Not serious. They asked, Baba, you have given eyes to see. Capability of seeing came in my eyes. But you didn't teach me what should see and what didn't see. And lame man, Baba, we have given the feet. But where should walk? What will be your direction of walking? What will be destination of the life? What will be your road of the life, road map of the life? You didn't teach me that I am doing these things. God and Guru has capacity, ability to bless you. But we are not able to digest the blessing. You look your neighbor and family, you will believe 100% this statement is true. But all of you are very good. I'm talking about other people, okay? So don't worry. All are able to digest. Yeah. That is a life. God prepared this word for blessing. But we are destroying this world because we have no divine eyes. We have no vision. We have no mission. We are not awakened. We are not aware. Due to this, Guru is necessary. Why Guru is necessary? Just look at me. This thumb touched all finger. No? Finger. But other finger can't touch the all finger. Due to this art, we are making the house. We are making the tent. We are doing the havan. And then Mr. David prepared the Vyas Gaddi for me, very smaller. I can fall down also. Yeah. Very carefully I sit it. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow you can just develop it. Otherwise, I can't digest the blessing of God. So due to this, we are doing. We are making game, harmonium, tabla, due to this, because this finger is. But this art is a boon and blessing of God. But that is a curse also. Due to this, we know how to use the gun, how to make the tank, how to make atom bomb, and how can be terrorist. Due to this quality. How to use this thumb, how to utilize this art, can always do good work for this finger, because this is a touching. So due to this, Guru is necessary. Oh my boy, do this thing, don't do that things. One thing. Second, mind is laughing. Laughing is smiling. No? Any other being laughing, enjoying, but not laughing. Ha ha ha. No? Not laughing. Only mind is know how to laugh. But we are laughing on the enemy, not laughing on ourselves. How much weakness we have, but we are not laughing. Oh mind, what you are doing. We are laughing. Anybody, good people, I am searching the weakness and smiling, laughing on them. Laughing is a good boon of the God. But that is a curse also. Why? Only bird and monkey and butterfly, they enjoy but can't laugh like you. Even the monkey also. Monkey will laugh very nice, but how much? Chi 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 will do. But man, like a full moon, like a blossoming lotus, rose flower smiling. But that is a tragedy of the human beings. Laughing also tragedy of the human being. What? Why? Because human being, only one being on this earth, he is commit suicide. He is going for commit suicide. Any animal going for commit suicide? Only man. Only man. Because he learned to laugh. Any problem is coming, to stop the laugh due to this tragedy is coming, and then he's going for commit suicide. So this laughing, this smiling, how to use, only Guru can teach you, only teacher can teach you, only religion can teach you, otherwise nobody can teach you. Nobody teach you, otherwise will be commit suicide. Man asked, I went in the Kashi, but most mental hospital in the world, in which country? America. No? America more mental house. But in India also 7 Pagla house, mad house. And then other poor countries less mad house. But that country mad people 60% out of madhouse, some few people inside. Here also I'm feeling. One man ring me, David, one very good film has come. What name? Hindi film. Baba, you have seen what film? 3 Idiots. Have you seen it?